In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a contact group in New Outlook. Now to do this, first you want to go to the top left here and you want to click on the third icon, which is people over here. And then you can see you have like your contacts and stuff like that. What you want to do is you want to click on where it says new contact and then on this arrow down, and then you want to click on a new contact list. Now from here, of course, you can create your contact group, which is of course named contact list. It's pretty much the same thing. You can go ahead and give it a name. So for example, my friends, like this. You can add a description over here, and then you can just go and add your recipients. So we have to add the first one. I'm going to add myself over here, just like this. Let's see if it actually pops up. It won't, so I actually have to do it manually, just like that. So in your case, they may pop up. Hopefully, you can click on the add button over here, which means the person has been added, and you can just keep on adding as many emails as you wish, clicking on the add button. And when, of course, they're all added, you want to click on the create button, and you've successfully created a contact group in New Outlook, and you can now find it in the people tab and then your contact list. Okay, it's also going to show you how many people are in there, and you can edit it over here or send an email over here. That's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.